Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to fix Google Maps not working, and now let's dive right in. Now, in order to fix Google Maps not working problem, we'll be required to go through 3 or 4 steps. So in order to proceed, first we'll be checking either the Google Maps requires an update or not on the phone. So to do that, open the Play Store on your phone. And after opening your Play Store, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a search button available for us. Tap on the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And over here at the top of the screen, tap over there and search for Google Maps. And over here, guys, you can see the Google Maps option is over here, whereas the Google Maps application on my phone does not require an update. But in your case, if there's an update available over here on the Play Store, update your Google Maps. That way your Google Maps will be fixed. And the second option is to check either your net connection on your phone or your mobile data on your phone is turned on or not. If they are turned on and weak, that might also cause the Google Maps to lag. So make sure that your internet connection while using the Google Maps is good. And with that being said, guys, and after doing those two things, open up your Google Maps, and if still they are not working, open up the settings on your phone. And after opening the settings, scroll down over here and go to the app section of your phone, and on the tap on the app management at the top of the screen. Over here we'll be required to search for Google Maps once it loads, so let's wait for it to load. Over here, search for Google Maps over here, guys, and open it. And on this interface, tap on the storage uses of the Google Maps, and try clearing your cache first, guys. Don't clear the data at once, but tap on clear cache, and again try to open up your Google Maps. That should have fixed the Google Maps not working problem. But if it's not fixed by following all of these ways, guys, then you'll be required to reinstall the Google Maps on your phone. To do that, simply uninstall the Google Maps on your phone and again install it from the Play Store over here. Tap on uninstall and it will be uninstalled on your phone, and again reinstall it. By that way, guys, all of the bugs that was keeping from Google Maps to not work will be fixed and your Google Maps will start to work again. And with that being said, guys, this is how to fix Google Maps not working. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.